thought that our first trip was gonna be nice, and it turns out that we're having to do our first trip a little bit earlier than Zion because of that.
I don't know if you can really see it.
Okay, you can't really see it, but we're right next to the fire here, and it's burned 1,200 acres so far, and they've evacuated areas that are near here. So obviously we're like, why would we stay around? We can move our home. And the reason why I'm filming is because we are ready to go. So I have nothing left to do preparation wise, and we're gonna get out of here just in case, because better be safe than sorry, right? We'll give you an update later. Hopefully nothing gets too close to all these lovely people around. But you know, better get going. Ash is falling from the sky, and I don't know if I'll try to film it again, but it's really, really dark. Okay, bye. Good morning. Today I am leaving the boys and going to a self-defense seminar. I've been wanting to do this for a long time because I think it's really important to know how to defend yourself. So, as a woman especially. So I am off to Palm Desert.
Right on his foot. Right? So I've got this space, I was able to get my hips out, and I can keep the space even more with my foot right here on his hip. Right? And from here, I'm going to simply move into this, what we call the eye position, and post my leg, ready for a heel kick, a nice strong heel kick, right to the face. And the pendulum up. Give it one more. Scoot back, 1, 2, after that.
So we learned how to get free of the, to like hold like this.
Oh.
And then the choke thing. Then go back. It's the hip one.
Now what do you do?
Mother's Day.
A month and a half later.
So, question and answer.
Q&A.
What is your son's favorite basketball
Color?
team?
Basketball team.
That white thing.
Oh man, why couldn't it be football? Give me some options.
Okay.
Give me 3 options.
Orlando Magic, Cavaliers, Miami Heat.
I've heard the name Magic thrown around, so I'll say Orlando Magic.
No, Mom. The only one he likes is
Cavaliers?
Cavaliers.
Oh.
What is your mom's favorite movie?
The Notebook. Pride and Prejudice.
The Notebook. I don't even know what movie that
You
is.
haven't seen that one?
Grandma?
But a long time ago.
Pride and Prejudice.
What is your son's favorite holiday?
Christmas.
He's nodding. What is your mom's favorite book?
My mom's favorite book? The Bible.
Now you can't say like, oh no, it's not. That's Briefly, honey, tell us why we are doing this.
Celebrating Mother's Day 2 months late
Yeah.
because she wasn't here on Mother's Day.
Me.
So she's had an IOU and she cashed it in today.
I was with son number 2.
So number 2.
Me. And
What's your favorite football team?
Cowboys.
All right.
Because that's Daddy's favorite team.
So we are here at the Long Beach Convention Center checking out some truck parts and accessories.
Yay! Super exciting day.
Alright? You're the one who said you wanted new wheels on the truck.
I did, because they didn't look rugged enough.
So here we are. Let's see what she'll let me buy.
Lighting up my way. I'll be yours till break of day. I don't wanna close my eyes. Wanna be a shot. Baby, don't you waste me. Wanna be a shot.
This is a 5-gallon tank, 150 psi consumer.
Can we hear it? Can we hear it?
If you go in there.
Huh?
If you go in there.
In here?
Time to add some power, sound, and quality. Stop by some folks from MagnaFlow Performance Exhaust
Oh my gosh.
while you're there. Apparel and mean
Two
business.
sets of headphones.
Okay.
So it's the top button, the top red button.
Okay.
Okay.
Just hold it short.
Hold it short.
Hold it short. Oh,
Are you ready?
ready. Oh my god.
Yeah. That's the one.
It's pretty loud. So the question is getting the Toyota out of your way worth $881?
Yeah.
My ears are still ringing. It was so loud. I feel disoriented.
Crashing in